and here's a footprint of a jaguar. You can see the paw here. It's pretty big if you compare it to my hand. So you have it all the way here. It's pretty fresh, so it's been here maybe last night. Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. I'm now in the rainforest of Panama, and this is an amazing nature. And I'm 9 days into a photo tour, and we have been in the mountains, we've been on lakes and rivers, and now we are in the rainforest. Look behind me here, it's a creek. So it's very nice to walk here. It's easier to walk in a creek than through the forest. So I have explored Panama since 2004, and I am arranging photo tours for other photographers. So if you want to come on a tour with a small group, then take a look at my program at panamaphotoexplorations.com and see what I have to offer. Panama has a vast biodiversity, and we will visit rainforest, mountains, lakes, rivers, wetlands, deserts, cloud forest. It's an amazing nature here and an amazing biodiversity, and so much to photographs. And just contact me at panamaphotoexplorations.com, and see you in Panama. Thank you.